Security control frameworks. A mechanism is a process or system that is used to produce a particular result. According to NIST SD 800 to 160 Volume 1, security control is a mechanism designed to address needs as specified by a set of security requirements. Control Objectives for Information Technology (COBIT) is a framework for developing, implementing, monitoring, and improving information technology, governance, and management best practices. COBIT framework is published by the IT Governance Institute and ICASA. COBIT framework is to provide a common language for IT professionals, business executives, and compliance auditors to communicate with each other about IT controls, goals, objectives, and outcomes. COBIT is based on 6 key principles for governing and managing enterprise ITR. Provides stakeholder value, holistic approach, dynamic governance system, governance distinct from management, tailored to enterprise needs, and end-to-end governance systems. NIST 800 to 53 Rev 5 Security and Privacy Controls for Information Systems and Organizations provides a set of security and privacy controls for federal information systems and organizations. The Center for International Security (CIS) is a nonprofit organization formed in October 2000. Provides operating system, application, and hardware security configuration at www.cisecurity.org/CIS benchmarks. NIST Risk Management Framework establishes mandatory requirements for federal agencies. NIST Risk Management Framework provides standards and guidelines to support implementation of risk management programs to meet the requirements of the Federal Information Security Modernization Act. NIST Risk Management Framework has 7 phases, and that are: prepare, categorize, select, implement, assess, authorize, and monitor. NIST's cybersecurity framework is designed for critical infrastructure and commercial organizations and consists of 5 functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. NIST cybersecurity framework is a prescription of operational activities that are to be performed on an ongoing basis for the support and improvement of security over time. International Organization for Standardization, International Electrotechnical Commission 2700 is an international standard provides best practice recommendations on information security management practices. Information Technology Infrastructure Library is a set of recommended best practices for delivering IT services. ITIL's systematic approach to IT service management can help business manage risk, strengthen customer relations, establish cost-effective practices, and build a stable IT environment that allows for growth, scale, and change.